Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.